enthusiasts? I've got some fantastic news to share with you today. If you're looking to enhance your Binance Futures trading experience, you're in the right place. Welcome to Binance Doctor, your ultimate destination for trading signals and valuable insights. We believe in transparency and accountability. That's why we invite you to join our free group first. No strings attached. Here, you can check out our results and get a taste of what we offer. We're confident that once you see what we can do, you'll want to take things to the next level. For just $20 a month or $10 for 2 weeks, you can become a VIP member of Binance Doctor. The benefits are truly remarkable. You'll receive 3 trading signals daily. These signals have a track record of delivering outstanding results. We're talking about profits ranging from 80% to 130%, and these are fixed gains. You won't be trading blindly. We provide clear targets with every signal. Here's the kicker. We haven't seen a stop loss in the last 3 months. That's consistency you can rely on. You'll have a 24-hour window to reach your profit target, giving you ample time to make your moves. And here's something special. If more than one signal fails, you're eligible for a refund within 15 days. We're so confident in our signals that we offer a guarantee you won't incur losses. Our commitment goes beyond signals. We provide daily updates and technical analysis. Plus, you'll have personal support available 24/7. Ready to take your trading to the next level? All you need to do is send a message to Binance Doctor and get your VIP membership. The link to our Telegram channel is in the description below. We're here to support you, guide you, and help you make the most out of your trading journey. With Binance Doctor, you're not just trading. You're trading with confidence. Your success is our success, and together, we're going to reach new heights in the crypto world.